I stopped losing money due to my manual market analysis when I got this AI-powered market analysis tool. Guys, I'm going to show you everything from out to the inside, and I show you even how to use it. You can see even today alone, it has already given 20 signals. If you're a crypto trader and you haven't got this app, you're missing a lot. You're missing a lot of opportunities. It is an AI-powered software that gives you signals that you can put in your Binance and trade. You can see me already have the app, and I'm going to show you how you can also download this app. Go to your Google Chrome or to your Google and you search for CryptoFlowSignals, as I've just given you the name, CryptoFlowSignals.com. Just search that. After searching, as I've just given you up there, CryptoFlowSignals.com, you will land onto the landing page. When you search, this is the landing page. You can see you can get 10 free signals right away by you just creating an account without asking for your information. They just need your email and your password. Just those two for authentication. Email and password. When you click on start free trial, you can go to sign up. If you don't have an account and you sign up an account, you put your email and your password, you create an account. Or if you already have an account, just click on sign in. Like me, I already have an account, so I'm going to go on sign in. I put in my email and password and I log into my account. As you can see, I just put in my details and this is the inside of the app. Now remember, if you don't have the app, you will see the download arrow up there. You can see I'm a premium member, so which means I get top quality signals. But if you want also become a premium member, I'm going to show you how you can also pay for premium and you get premium signals. You can also download the app to have it on your phone. Click on that download button. As you will see, me, I already have downloaded the app, so I have it in my phone. So if you want to access the app, just click on the app and it will automatically log you into your account. Let it load. Let it load here. Just a minute, guys. Just a minute. You can see it is loading and it is taking me inside my account. You can see still the same profile has been loaded. I'm a premium member. It gives you a market at a glance. It has a lot of features. It has even the market news. You can check out the news which may lead to your positions, maybe adjusting your positions. And here you can also see that elite signal performance. I don't know whether you can see this. Elite signal performance. So that's why I was telling you that when you are a subscribed member, you get top quality signals. They are labeled as elite signals in the system. They are the signals that have an AI performance, AI confidence value of 8 and above. They deliver up to 78% most of the times. They hit TP3, 78% of them they hit TP3, and also they have usually a higher risk to reward ratio, usually a 1:4 risk to reward ratio. So me, I'm a premium member, so I get access. If you're a premium member, you get access to all the signals within the app. You get the signals from the free tier, signals from the basic tier, and also signals from the premium tier. You can see some of the signals already moving. So every day, this system gives you a lot of signals. This is what I was talking about. You can see here that this is an elite signal. I don't know whether you can see this. It is an elite signal with an AI confidence of 83%. And here down you can see that elite signals have 3.2 times higher TP3 high rate. So the thing gives you entry price, TP1, TP2, TP3, stop loss, and even shows you the movement of the coin that you have entered or the token you have entered. Also, as a premium feature, you get to track the signal. If you want to track that trade, maybe you have entered the trade, you want the system to track it for you. I'll show you how to use that feature as a premium member. So first of all, they give you the entry price. This signal, they were telling you to enter at 260. The TP1 was given, TP2 was given, TP3 was given. So you just have to go to your Binance or to your Bybit or whichever exchange you're using and execute the trade. Me, I have Binance, so I'm going to use just Binance for this example. You can go to your Binance features and you search for the coin which you've been told. It is ZEC I've been trading this coin. That's why it is already selected, because this coin has given me money in the past, so I've been trading it. But for you, you'll just come here and search for the coin. If you don't see it there, just search for it, ZEC. Remember, we are in features, because these signals are different. There are spot signals and feature signals, so you trade them differently. Right now, I'm showing an example of a features signal. Go and search for ZEC. Make sure it has perpetual. That is when you will know that it is a features signal. Then search for it. After you search for it, make sure you start now feeding in the information from the app. You can see We were supposed to enter at 260.13, but the signal has already moved. So we are going to go ahead and enter at market price. So if the signal hasn't moved yet, you put in a limit order and you enter at that limit. Right now the signal has moved, so we are going to make sure we change everything to make sure we enter at market price, as you can see. So we are going to come here, make sure here you have selected market. That's only if the signal has already moved, but if it hasn't moved, make sure you leave it at limit order, then you put in the figures at which the trade should be executed. Right now I'm choosing market because the signal has already moved somehow and I want to put in I want to enter at the market price. Now after choosing market, I have to see which leverage has been used on the signal. I have to choose the leverage. Come here up where you see this, you'll see some figure around here. Tap on it. When you tap on it, you see you can move this around. You see what I'm moving here down? You can move it up to when it reaches your target leverage. Then select it. Then also now you have to select how much money you want to put into the signal. I hope you understand that. People who have been trading futures, hope this is not new. So just go and put in the amount that you want to use as your capital. For this example, I'll show you that you have to move this around here. Let me show you. I'm going to move it and I'll show you an example. Here, I'm going to move it. You see what I'm moving? When you start moving it, there down you see numbers changing. You see what I'm moving? Let me check it for you. This one, move it across. When you're starting to move it, here down you see the figure changing. So that will be the amount of USDT that will enter into that trade after you start moving. So you can see I'm moving. I want to put it at $5 just for example purposes. I want to put it at $5, 4 point something, 5. Then after putting it at 5, you can go ahead and click on open long or open short, because depending on the position, depending on the direction of the signal. In this case, I'm opening long. As you can see, the signal started moving. Now you have to go and get all the other details from the signal. That is the stop loss and the take profit. Remember, when you are putting in the stop loss, remember also it depends on what price you entered and the leverage used. So I'm going to take this stop loss into the app, into Binance. Come and click on TP/SL. When I click there, you'll open this page, then click on position TP/SL. When you click there, you'll be given the space for putting in the take profit and stop loss. So you come here down on stop loss and you put in the stop loss given on the signal. Some of the times the stop loss will accept, but depending on your leverage, depending on the leverage and the amount you've entered and at what price you entered, the leverage may fail. That's why sometimes it has to fail and you adjust the stop loss to fit that which they have given you as your maximum, as your liquidation price somehow. So put it there, change if it is necessary. If it has entered, well and good. If it has not, make sure you change. After changing, you click on confirm. You'll see that your stop loss has been entered. Let me show you here after confirming. You can see clearly that the stop loss has been entered and it is here. So we have to also enter the TP. Okay, after the stop loss has gone in, let's enter the take profit. For the take profit, we are going to take profit number 3, or you can put any of those. If the trade hasn't hit on any of those, you can put maybe TP1, TP2, or TP3. But in this case, I'm going to put TP3. Click again on TP/SL. Click on position TP/SL. Then you put in the figure of the TP. In this case, let me go and check again. It is 291 point something. Let me put it here. 291. Yes, 0.550. So you can see after putting in the TP, they are saying that if the price reaches there, I'm going to make a profit of $10. Remember, I've just used $4.95 on this trade. So if the trade reaches on that specific price, I'm going to make a profit of $10. So that's exactly how you can enter the signal. Now, as a bonus, if you're a premium member on this app, as for me, I'm a premium member, I get to track my trade. So you can click on track this trade there down. After clicking on track this trade, you're told to put in the price at which you entered, entry price. So in this case, I entered at 263.27. That's what I'm going to put as my entry price. They also ask for you, how much money have you put into that trade? So the system keeps updating you, sending you notifications either to adjust the stop loss to break even, or maybe to adjust the stop loss to TP1 or TP2, or maybe when the price moves, it sends you a notification to make sure you break even. So the system favors those who are on premium. It keeps notifying you, keeps tracking for you that trade, and keeps on notifying you the progress of your trade, and keeps you in check to make sure you keep on adjusting your position not to make a loss. So that is it for now, guys. This is the app. It is called CryptoFlowSignals. You can download it for yourself. You can get upgraded features if you subscribe for premium. From my own experience, it is a good app. Right now I'm tracking 2 signals that I've already entered. One is on Bybit, another one is I've just shown you. You can track your signals, you can track everything. This is a good app, guys. That's all I can say. That's all I can say. I found it so interesting. I found it amazing. I had been analyzing my markets manually, doing manual analysis, sitting on the computer for long. But here you just enter the app, get the signal, enter details into your Binance or whichever. Maybe another tip is if you want to get a higher win rate, focus on signals that have an 80% and above AI confidence rating. From my own experience, those are the best signals. Focus on signals that have 80 and above. You can see even the notification is there. 80 and above on AI confidence. They perform better. They are labeled as elite signals. But the problem is, as a free member or as a free user, you don't have access to these signals. You don't have access. You can only get access after you've gone ahead and upgraded to maybe the basic or the premium tier. And even if you're on basic, you get around 1 to 3 premium, 1 to 3 elite signals. But for premium members, they have access to around 5 to 10 elite signals per single day. So in my case, I said, let me go for premium. After all, $99 is very, very little money compared to how much you're going to make in the long run. So that's what I went for. You get around 5 to 10 signals. For basic members, they get around just around 1 to 3 signals if they are lucky, elite signals. But for me, I said, let me go for the premium membership. It gives the best. It has notifications, trade management, a lot of features. You get unlimited signals a day, guys. I said, let me show it to you. That is it from me today. Hope you enjoy this video and hope you get to catch what is moving. AI is on the rise. Okay, so the platform uses AI to give you curated signals, especially for premium members and basic members. That's it from me. I found the app interesting. I said, let me share it with you. If you're interested, you can move on with the app. If you're not, you can check it out to try it for free for 7 days. If you think it is worth, you can go ahead and upgrade to premium membership and enjoy unlimited signals. See you in the next one.